Friday morning feeling when I'm feeling this low. You're my warm home fire when I'm feeling this cold. You're everything to me, you don't need to be told. But my heart's beating hollow 'cause you're not home. But you're looking down and I'm feeling down, and these walls are caving in on me, yeah. I'm feeling low, you don't care, so why are you still here with me? 'Cause I don't know how to feel now, and I don't know if I'm gonna come back around. But this glass, it's got a hold on me. But this glass, it's got a hold on me. You're my morning cassette when I don't wanna talk. You're the X on the map when I just get lost. Your love's this winter cold that I caught, and it's a pity I'm nothing to you, I'm just lost. But you're looking down and I'm feeling down, and these walls are caving in on me, yeah. I'm feeling low, you don't care, so why are you still here with me? 'Cause I don't know how to feel now, and I don't know if I'm gonna come back around. But this glass, it's got a hold on me. But this glass, it's got a hold on me. But this glass, it's got a hold on me. But this glass, it's got a hold on me. I made a deal with the devil last night. I gave my happiness away and shook his hand tight. Now I'm sitting in this room, it's 2:15, and I'm feeling blue and thinking about you. And this bottle's running dry, my cravings running wild. I think it's time to say my last goodbye. If this is the end and I'm giving up, I'll take this chance to say I'm sorry, but it was so tough.